Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the December 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Starstruck. When you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just shows you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. It also has a QR code to take you to your digital downloads, which I'll show you at the end. Next, we have this month's art print. This was designed by Tori of the Okayest Educator, and it says, "Teachers are our stars," a great reminder. I thought this would also be great to put up in like your teacher's lounge. Next, we have one of this month's wearable items. They're not on the card because I'm already wearing them. I think they'll be kind of hard to see, but we'll put the close-up. These are these beautiful star hoops from Modern 11, a small business. And these are really pretty for the holidays, but also neutral enough that you could wear all year. Now, whenever we do earrings, we also feature another wearable item because I know some of our subscribers don't have pierced ears. This month, this is a hair claw. For those of us who grew up in the 90s, this is kind of a fun throwback, but these are coming back in style, and this one is a really pretty sort of like almost tortoise shell acetate white. Next, we have a star-shaped bath bomb. This is from another small business, Spa Select. Smells really good, and it's this cute little star. Next, we have an ornament. Now, this is kind of a tradition for Teacher Care Crate. Even though this isn't exactly a holiday-themed box, we do like to feature an ornament every December. This is our fourth one. Comes in this nice little velvet bag. And of course, going with the theme, it is a wooden star that says teacher. You have these wooden beads and this pretty blue tassel. So if you celebrate Christmas, this would look nice on your Christmas tree, but also just works as general decor if you don't. Okay. Next, we have this morning goggle eye mask. So it's called that because it's almost like shaped like goggles. It's just for around your eyes. Matches perfectly with this month's theme. It has these really pretty silver stars on it. So great for kind of depuffing and brightening the eye area, which I know as teachers, we all need. And it's just a fun little act of self-care you can do as well. Next, we have this 50-page memo pad. This was designed by Miss Sear, and it says, "Today has me starstruck." And it's got a grid on here, and it's also magnetic, so I'm probably gonna put this up on my fridge. You can also put it up on your whiteboard at school. Then we have this month's treat. This is creamy milk chocolate cocoa from Moonstruck. Really tasty and perfect for winter. And then, like I mentioned, there are also digital downloads included with your subscription. So every month we have desktop wallpapers you can use. I believe there are 6 this month. So if you're a current subscriber, those go out by the 1st of the month via email. And then you also have the link on the info card. And then if you're a new subscriber, the email with that link will go out within 24 hours of subscribing. So in addition to the desktop wallpapers, we also have a winter bucket list this month. There's a few different versions. There's a blank one if you want to write it yourself. I've already heard from some subscribers that they're filling these out with their families. You could also use this in class and have kids create their own. Then there's one that's sort of just neutral winter items, and then there's one that does include some holiday items if you celebrate a winter holiday. Then also included in the digital downloads are these printable, either you can use them as cards or gift tags. They come in 2 different sizes. Says, "Have a wonderful winter break." There's an editable file in case you want to add your name. You can just print these out if that's something you like to do and distribute them to students before break. So just to review, we've got our digital downloads. We have our milk chocolate cocoa, 50-page memo pad that is magnetic, your star eye mask, star bath bomb, hair claw, your really pretty star earrings, and your star teacher ornament, your art print, and of course just your info card. So if you are not already signed up, you can head to teachercarecrate.com to subscribe. This would also make a great gift for the holidays. If you subscribe by just December 10th, we're going to try our best to get the crates out by that time to make sure they get to you in time for the holidays in case you do want to gift them. Thanks for watching.